Farmers have always saved seeds from their best plants. This traditional practice ensured food security for generations. Hybrid seeds are different. They are created by crossing two carefully selected parent plants. This process aims to combine desirable traits like high yield or disease resistance into the offspring. The result? Farmers get seeds that promise higher productivity and resilience. However, unlike open, pollinated seeds passed down for generations, hybrid seeds don't breed true. This means farmers must purchase new seeds every year from seed companies. This dependence on corporations for something as fundamental as seeds raises concerns about food sovereignty and the future of agriculture. Hybrid seeds have ushered in a new era of agricultural productivity. By combining desirable traits from parent plants, scientists have developed varieties that produce significantly higher yields compared to traditional varieties. This increased productivity is crucial, especially in the face of a growing global population. Beyond yield, hybrid seeds often exhibit enhanced resistance to specific pests and diseases. This resistance can translate to reduced reliance on pesticides and herbicides, potentially minimizing environmental impact. Farmers benefit from potentially higher profits due to increased yields and reduced crop losses. While hybrid seeds promise high yields, this abundance often comes at a hidden cost: soil depletion. Hybrid plants, bred for rapid growth and maximum output, often have larger appetites for nutrients. They draw heavily from the soil, potentially depleting essential nutrients faster than traditional varieties. Over time, this continuous nutrient extraction can degrade soil fertility. Farmers may find themselves trapped in a cycle of dependence on chemical fertilizers to compensate for the soil's diminishing capacity to nourish crops. This dependence on external inputs further raises concerns about environmental sustainability and long-term food security. The allure of high-yielding hybrid seeds often encourages farmers to adopt monoculture practices. Vast fields are planted with a single, genetically uniform crop, maximizing efficiency and yield in the short term. However, this lack of diversity within fields can have detrimental effects on soil biodiversity. A diverse ecosystem of microorganisms, insects and plants contributes to healthy soil. Monoculture disrupts this delicate balance. It can lead to a decline in beneficial organisms and make the soil more susceptible to pests and diseases. This vulnerability can further increase reliance on chemical interventions, perpetuating a cycle of degradation. Section 5. The case of Punjab, a green revolution gone wrong. The Green Revolution, hailed for boosting food production in India, relied heavily on hybrid seeds and chemical inputs. However, the long-term consequences on soil health, particularly in regions like Punjab, are stark reminders of the potential downsides of intensive agriculture. Decades of intensive monoculture and heavy chemical use have led to declining soil fertility, water scarcity, and increased pest resistance in Punjab. The very technologies that promised abundance now threaten the long-term viability of agriculture in the region. Section 6. Beyond yields, a holistic view of soil health. The debate surrounding hybrid seeds highlights a crucial point. True agricultural sustainability requires a holistic approach, focusing solely on maximizing yields, without considering the long-term impact on soil health, can lead to unintended consequences. Healthy soil is the foundation of a resilient and productive agricultural system. It's a complex ecosystem teeming with life, and its preservation is paramount. We need to move beyond the simplistic metric of yield and adopt practices that prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and long-term ecological balance. Section 7. Sustainable alternatives, balancing productivity and preservation. While hybrid seeds present challenges, they are also tools that can be used responsibly within a more sustainable agricultural framework. Integrated pest management, crop rotation, and cover cropping can help mitigate the potential negative impacts of hybrid seed use on soil health. Furthermore, there's a growing movement advocating for seed saving and the use of open-pollinated varieties. These traditional practices empower farmers, promote biodiversity, and contribute to a more resilient and equitable food system. Section 8. The future of our food, a call for conscious choices. The future of our food system lies in our hands. As consumers, we have the power to influence agricultural practices through our choices. Supporting sustainable farming methods, choosing locally sourced produce, and advocating for policies that protect soil health are all steps in the right direction. The debate over hybrid seeds is not about rejecting technological advancements. It's about recognizing that technology should serve us, not dictate the terms of our existence. We must prioritize the well-being of our planet and future generations, ensuring that our pursuit of food security doesn't come at the cost of environmental degradation. Section 9. Seed by seed, choice by choice, shaping a sustainable future. Every seed we sow, every food choice we make, is a vote for the kind of food system we want to create. Hybrid seeds, used responsibly and within a broader framework of sustainable practices, can play a role in feeding a growing population. However, we must proceed with caution, recognizing the potential risks and embracing alternatives that prioritize soil health, biodiversity, and the long-term well-being of our planet. The choices we make today will determine the legacy we leave for generations to come. What will your choice be?